Hello, try to remove this tree stump, but actually it's not removing. Okay, the purpose it will not show. Okay, so what I did, I was use this saw. Okay, first I cut like sections, like vertical, horizontal, break into pieces little by little. Actually, I cut half of them. Okay. I think it's kind of like too slow. And after I cut this, right, move this, another half left. I just use X. Okay, I cut a little bit. Okay, like this way and this way, and then use X to chop. Okay, chop this all the way. Right, you can run like a grinder or something, but for me I just use hand tools. Okay, if you want to use saw, make sure you buy saw, look for the TPI. Okay, this one is, I think TPI is 6. If TPI is larger, that means really hard to cut. That means the teeth per inch is too many teeth. Okay, it's hard to cut stump like this. All right, so this is the best I can get. Okay, the 6 TPI. Others, they have 3 TPIs, but that's only blade. I don't have saw to attach those. Okay, only one I can get for this. But another thing is like I can use this one for some other tree trimming. Okay, it's pretty good one, right? And it can be folded, right? I have another one. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it or not. Okay, probably I just bury in the ground with some dirt. This one, pretty much, you see, you can dig a hole already around it. So basically, most likely, I can use those dirt to cover it. Okay, later on, I'm gonna cover with the mulch on top. So this stump is not gonna be shown anymore. All right, if you try to save some money, you don't mind to work by hand, probably this is the option.